Welcome back to another Happy Garage videos, guys. We are doing something a little bit different today. We are finally starting this GTI project. I know I've been putting it off for a while, but I've been working out of town. I'm never really home that much. I'm only home 2 days out of the week. But anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get on with what we are doing in this video. Do I need to talk any slower?
No.
Okay, so I'll get back right with anyways, we're doing a custom front bumper. This is the OEM bumper, obviously. Getting rid of the front grille, that little honeycomb looking thing. I broke them, but I'm buying new ones. Don't mind this, but just to kind of show y'all, keeping this side piece thing. I lost my cardboard. Where's my cardboard, bro? You took my cardboard?
You threw it away.
Oh, it's right here. Oh. And then this, if I can sneak it in here real quick.
Dang, dude.
It's going.
Look at this shit.
Yes, sir. That's like really crispy. Anyways, there's gonna be some kind of plastic piece.
New profile picture?
Probably.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop distracting you.
Yeah, so we're gonna get some plastic. I don't know exactly what yet, and then we're gonna mold it into this and then cut all this out, so it's basically just gonna be a square. If you've seen Miata KBD kits, that's kind of what it's gonna look like with the mouth, just a rectangle pretty much. And enough jib jabbering, let's get on to some cutting. So I just cut the bumper up. Looks pretty good from afar. It's kind of hard to picture it because these side pieces aren't in. This side wasn't the best because this piece is like detached. I don't know what happened. It broke. Typical plastic things. This side came out really good. That looks good. We're gonna cut out this piece right here. This plastic piece. I don't know what we'll call it, but plastic piece, that's what we'll call it. And some sanding, and that'll pretty much be it for this part of the video. Yeah, what do you think, Raphael? Getting them shots? Minty. Let's see. Can't see nothing. Anyways, y'all will see some clips.
They're not too bad.
At some point in this video, wherever Raphael wants to put it in. Oh god.
Well, this is for Instagram reel.
Oh, yeah. Anyways, I'm pretty sure y'all have our Instagrams, but if not, they will be somewhere on the screen. Can you do that? Yeah. Yeah, I know you can.
Of course I can. Do you know who you're talking to?
That Miami Miata, that red GTI, even though it's literally about to change. I had ordered a sticker from Spinny Whoosh that's going to go on the back. It's 22 inches.
Pop up right here and right here.
And it says that red GTI, and I'm literally changing the color to black. So I'm going to have to order another one. It's not even here yet. It hasn't even been shipped out.
God!
And I'm already changing the color.
How many do you need?
Hey, bro. There's another one somewhere.
They smell good though.
They do smell good. Anyways, let's do some sanding.
Alright, Marcus.
So here we are, day 2 of the whole bumper project thing. I'm priming it so I can see it in one color so I know where I need to focus on. That's mainly what primer is for. And yeah, I've already got most of it done. I got a little bit more to spray. And that's pretty much gonna be it for like this video. Actually, no, I need to figure out what the hell I want to do with this.
What's that on this one piece or what?
Like this one piece because these go over it, but I need to make a piece that goes behind there so I can sit level or flush. And
on both sides, or is it just
both sides? Turns out, oh yeah, we went to Home Depot and Lowe's. They didn't have any ABS plastic. That's what I'm going to use. And so I'm going to have to order some. I work out of town anyway, so I won't even be home. But it'll be home when I get back. And then we'll be able to make the final product of the bumper. I might be building a splitter because why not? A chassis mount splitter would be pretty cool. At least that's what I got in mind. And yeah, let's finish this up. So this is what it looks like one color, and it's good that it's one color so it can show me all the little imperfections that I got that I need to do body work over. And I still got to make the custom piece right here. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna make it out of, but I'm gonna figure it out. And then I gotta do the headlight or fog light housings and clean up the cut over here. And I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it for the whole bumper situation. We got Daniel over here. What's up, bro?
What's going on? Have a garage? Did you give him a good explanation on what you're doing to the bumper?
Yeah.
Looking good. It really is looking pretty good, dude. Like,
it's getting there. It just looks so much better in one color.
Oh yeah, no.
So now I can see everything, see all the little imperfections, stuff like that.
It's gonna be really good.
You gotta clean up cuts.
Yeah, after you like order everything you need to,
yeah, it's gonna
get
look
it placed together and then paint it. Oh man, this thing's creamy, man.
Especially with the wet sound bar in here.
Yeah.
But that thing's like $800. But I'll definitely get that really soon. And yeah, now we come on to the next part of the video. What's up?
What's up? I don't know where this video is at.
I don't know either.
Last time we did this, we were doing something with the front bumper. Well, now it's sealed, ready to be painted and clear coated front
Now,
little thingy.
Before y'all cap on me for how not so great this bumper looks, it's not final. I'm just tired of seeing primer, so I'm gonna paint it red. Have it match the car for a little bit. Same thing with the side skirts.
Yeah, I haven't seen these.
Because as of right now, the other vehicle that I'm going to be driving around, it's not ready to be driven yet. So I'm going to just get it all painted, make it look good. And then I'll go back, do all the little final touches, and repaint the whole car.
Yeah. But it's still gonna look good. All color match. These are gonna look dope. How much were these? 200?
Yeah, about $200.
From like the UK or something.
Yeah, which is not bad. Not a bad price at all.
But he's gonna seal that and then paint all this at the same time, clear coat it, and we'll be back whenever he's clear coating.
So I know I've said this already, but this is not the final product. I'm just painting it red because I'm gonna have to drive my car for a little bit longer before I can actually paint the whole thing, and it'll look good. But yeah, there's some little Bondo work that I gotta touch up on. Like I should have probably sanded that down a little bit better. These corners, that's like what I want it to look like. That's pretty much it. Right now I'm about to start clear coating. Raphael isn't here. He went back home to get some stuff, but he's on his way back. So as of right now, I don't have a cameraman, so I can't record while I'm clear coating, but I will update y'all after I do that. So I don't know where we're at this point in the video because things are just getting crazy. But if y'all can see behind me, it's together. It's painted. It looks amazing. I'm about to go wake up Raphael so he can see it. He hasn't seen it yet. He's seen it painted, but not all assembled, not on the car, and not with the lip. It looks beautiful. Let's go wake him up. Wake up.
No.
Wake up.
Mm-mm.
Hey, bro. The bumper's on. Wake up, bitch.
It's 10:15.
Bro, it's 15. Wake up. God damn it.
Dang, it does look good. Oh, look at this fire.
God. God.
That's crazy how much of a difference that looks good as hell.
Car is dirty as hell, but
It looks lower too.
it's gonna look good. Or it looks good. What am I saying? I've only been up for 30 minutes and this is what I've done. Woo! Fire. Man, it looks good. Right now I need to wash the car.
Yeah, and there's not even a freaking MK6 anymore, it's a MK7.
Yeah, it kind of does look like a Mark 7 Golf R bumper. But
Dude, that front lip
Man.
is fire. I like that
it's
one.
minty. I love it. Now I just need to wash this car. Ew. Ew. Ew, it's dirty. It's dirty. I can't stop looking at it, bro.
The light bar, bro. That's
Oh,
gonna
bro.
Make it 10 times
Got a
better.
light bar on the way. Gonna put this in the center. Thanks to I don't know if I shouted him out already. I think his name is Typical Steven or something like that. I need to look him up real quick.
He'll be in the
He'll be in the description. But shout out to him for the bumper idea. Yeah, Typical Steven. That right there. But man, side skirts put on, splitter for the side skirts, and light bar, all that on the way. I need to order my BCs, but I'm procrastinating. It looks fire!
So this is gonna be the end of this video. Basically, what was this video? I don't even know. This video was kind of all over the place because it took a fat minute to get all this done. But it's looking really nice. It's crazy. We still gotta put the light bar on, but that don't really matter too much for this video. Still gotta put these on. So that's gonna be it for this Have a Garage video. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share this. If you do this, comment or add us in any Instagram posts or anything like that. Alright, so we're gonna try to get some rollers, some pictures. If you guys want to see pictures of this car, here's the at that red GTI. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
I need you in